Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we point out some stories from the week that you might have missed. Brian, I will start us off. At the AVS 2019 show this year, EasyMile had a demonstration of their driverless shuttle bus. So we have a story that their NuSmart shuttle is now operating on a campus for the University of Singapore. And just as they did at AVS 2019 in Orlando, this one has a safety operator in case they need it while it's going about its rounds.
Sounds good. This week, Wing, which is the subsidiary of Google's parent company Alphabet, they announced that they're going to start making deliveries in Queensland, Australia, directly to homes in just minutes. They'll be delivering a variety of items such as hot coffee, bagels, and other food items. And they will making the deliveries in Logan, Queensland, which is one of Australia's fastest growing communities and home to the 8th largest population in Australia. So very relevant there.
Flying hot coffee. AT&T and a company called Badger have teamed for retail robots, so they will be operating in some stores using a 5G network so they can handle with restocking, and maybe even when you call cleanup on aisle 5, a robot's going to come around the corner.
Sounds good. Autonomous shuttles are now operating in downtown Grand Rapids, Michigan. The shuttles will be operating for the next year, and over the next year, the city of Grand Rapids, as well as its private partners, will be collecting data from the shuttles.
Cool. More shuttle news. You're going to see more of that. The last one from me, the FAA is relaunching its Before You Fly app, which lets you tell whether you're in a location where you can safely fly a drone. So it's got some new tweaks. They've partnered with Kitty Hawk for the software, and it links to the new LANT system, which lets you get instant approval to fly in controlled airspace near airports. So there's a couple of new wrinkles, and also this whole effort is part of the Know Before You Fly campaign, which we sponsor along with the Academy of Model Aeronautics and with the FAA as well. So be sure to check that out. I'll have a link to both the story and to Know Before You Fly.
And the last item for me, which is pretty interesting, to make voting easier for a Native American tribe in Arizona, Coconino County, Arizona is testing a ballot collecting drones, which will take the ballots from the tribe to wherever the, local precinct is. And historically, ballots in the area have been hiked out of the canyon or packed onto horses and mules, so drones will be a much quicker and convenient way to get the ballots back.
Oh, less ornery than a mule too.
Yep.
All right, so that's what we have for you this week, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week.